Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. Today our topic is forces, tools and machines. You know what are forces, tools and machines? Okay, we will discuss about today the forces, tools and machines. Forces. A force is a push or pull. Force makes things to move. What is force? Yes, a force is a push or pull. For example, see in your surrounding, there is a table. We can push it or pull it. We make things to move. Now, let me know about any 5 examples that are in your surrounding of the examples of force. Like we have to make things move by a push or pull. Like a door, we will push it or pull it. We will apply a force and it will make a push or pull. Same as it is, there are so many different examples of force. Gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is the force that keeps us on Earth. It is a force of attraction that pulls together all matter. For example, you can imagine you are sitting in front of tree and suddenly the apple attract and force on the ground. It's pull on the ground. Like apple is a gravity, so our earth has a gravity which attracts all the thing to earth. Like for example, if we are playing with a bouncing ball, so we have a bouncing ball, we pull it, so it's the gravity attract its earth to itself. Now it's a friction. Friction is a force that we came across all the time. It is a force that slows or stops object. Example, cricket ball. It means a force is acting in the opposite direction, frictions. Like for example, I have a table. I can move it, but the opposite directions come towards me. For example, a football. I can kick it from my leg. It's come towards me. Cricket ball. When we throw a cricket ball, the batsman hits the ball. It's known as friction. Now, do you know what are air and water resistance? Yes, air and water resistance means when walking or swimming through sea or a swimming pool, you feel that water is pushing you back. Something that's pushing you back is known as air and water resistance. You can also see the diagram of air and water resistance over here. Now the simple machines. You know what are simple machines? We know about machines which are use electricity to do work, and machine makes the human's job more and more easier. So there are some simple machines are invented by us, by humans, that use force to make our job easier. Here are some examples that we know about the simple machines. Number 1 is lever. A lever is a simple machine that can lift objects with little effort. It has an arm, the rest on or is attached to a point known as fulcrum. You can see the picture of lever and tell me any example of lever. Yes, the example of lever is seesaw. What is the seesaw? Seesaw is example of lever. Now another simple machine is inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface that joins one level with a higher level. An inclined plane are used to move objects from a lower level to an upper level. Now you can see the diagram, you can see the picture in this slide as well. The inclined plane, what does the inclined plane do? Inclined plane push or pull us from upper level to lower level or lower level to upper level. Like for example, a mountain, lower level from upper level. A slide, which we always see in the park. Slide is, we take slide from upper level to a lower level. Now next is wedge. A wedge is 2 inclined planes joined together. With the wedge, the pointed edge surface is used to split or cut things apart. Now you can see the examples of wedge over here, like yes, a scissor, nail, knife, hammer, and so many different things. Screw. Screw it is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. A screw is used to hold objects in place. You can see the diagram of screw over here. Wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is a wheel joined to a pole called an axle. For example, see in your surrounding there are so many examples of wheel and axle, like our door lock, the cupboard lock, the wheels, the tires. There are so many examples of wheel and axle as well. See in your surrounding. And the pulley. Pulley is a machine that has a wheel with a rope or chain wrapped around it. You can also see the picture of pulley over here. We can put effort and the load from the lower level gets to the upper level. Tell me an example of the pulley. Like we see a machine that puts everything from lower level to upper level. Like a well. What does the well do? We put the bucket in the well and we put effort, and then it's come towards upward with a full of water as well. So these are the some examples of simple machine which we have to use by tools. These are known as machine, and we all have to apply force on it to make things move, like pulley, lever, wheel and axle, wedge, inclined plane and screw. Now read this chapter and see in your surrounding there are so many simple machines which we have to use by tools, and we make to have effort. You have to make force to make things move. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.